place gets $5K, second place gets $2K, third place gets $1,000.
Any questions?
Any questions?
See how much better it is?
Alright, whoever does all that the fastest, they're gonna play pool and ping pong, and that'll be for the 8K.
3, 2, 1. Go! All push-ups, damn it! All the way down. You're good.
What is this thing?
There you go.
Feel waiting for your opponent right now, man.
It's okay.
What are some wise words you can give to him right now?
Patience pays. Patience pays. Slow and steady. Go. Slow and steady.
Keep shooting! Come on, Omar!
Let's go!
Did you shoot?
You got the other square. Oh yeah,
Let's go!
You guys think 30 seconds for a layup?
Dude, that's insane, bro.
The obstacles!
They didn't want to mess with the Terminator. I said before the day.
What do you gotta say,
I said before the day. They don't want to mess with the Terminator.
Go, push ups. Done.
Let's go!
We were in a tight situation, sticky situation. What do you got to say about the performance?
You know, we started off pretty strong. We did the push-ups, you know, equally. We both finished the first obstacle pretty fast. We got a little stuck on the basketball. You know, it happens.
You got your shot in pretty quick though.
Yeah, I mean, you know, but it's a team effort. You know, so we both didn't make it. So
Is there beef now with your
no,
teammate?
not at all. not at all. No.
No? All right, man. We'll see what happens.
You guys sweating, huh?
Yeah,
What do you think so far? That was good?
Man, I love it, man.
Good
I love
exercise?
athletic. I love competition, so anything with competition, I'm down, man. I'm always gonna try my hardest. You know?
Nice.
All I gotta say was that was a fucking wet ass three, bro.
Yeah, that's what I do, man. I make shots, man. I can make big shots.
Did you visualize that? Did you know you were gonna make that
Before I
one?
even started, I told him, like, just visualize yourself making everything on the first shot. So, I mean, I didn't make my beanbag toss on the first shot. And my jumper, I already knew I was gonna make that. I took 2 jumpers.
What would you say was the weak point? The pickleball?
Oh, yeah. Well, definitely, yeah, pickleball. I didn't even know what that's called, pickleball. Yeah, so that's definitely weak, but I never played pickleball. So just to get a feel for it, you know, but after we got a feel for it, you know, it went pretty easy.
So your guys' time was 6 minutes and 19 seconds. Do you think you will be the winners of this game?
I haven't seen my competition, but I mean, I'm confident in what we did. So, you know, I know we will. Yeah, definitely got this.
Get it.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go!
Paladin's saying he's nervous.
I'm nervous too, bro. Very nervous.
What do you guys have to say about your performance? 5 minutes and 33 seconds. I thought you guys would do better. I was hoping to see you win, bro.
You can't win it all, man. Like in trading, you can't win every trade, but at least we tried our best.
One thing I would
Next
say,
time.
you gotta take your time with this shit. Because I feel like when I was doing it, I felt like I was being rushed. But it's just my own mind, you know what I mean?
How's it doing with the ankle?
It's fucked. It's fucked.
Tell everyone what happened to your ankle.
I got hit by a car, bro.
I drove that car.
That was the most insane performance we've seen all day. Let's go.
You know, I'm happy to be here with one of my childhood friends, Adam. I told him this is a lifetime opportunity. We made it here. We got the best time. I know this brother's athletic from birth, so we did that thing. Thank you, God. Let's go.
So listen, you think you guys won or what? 2 minutes and 59 seconds.
2:59.
I think we definitely got the best record so far. But,
What are you guys doing with the money when you win? What's the plan?
I'm saving my shit.
Honestly, if I win the 5K, I'm gonna support a few families in Africa. This has been a goal of mine, you know, but
Give back, man.
this will
We
give
love
back
hear
to
that.
those who need it most.
Bless up.
There you go.
Thank you guys. Let's go. 4 minutes and 39 seconds. What do you have to say about your performance?
Hey man,
Are you happy with how you did?
I'm happy as fuck, bro. My boy didn't believe we would get top 3. I told him we would, bro. You gotta have that confidence. I'm telling him.
So what do you have to say about the basketball? Is that the hardest part for
That
you?
was the hardest part for me.
Good shit,
Cheers
guys.
up.
Appreciate you.
Let's go. Let's see if they get it now. Come on.
We got the championship. Let's get it. see who wins.
What's up, guys? It's Dennis, TFT's community manager. I'm here for the amazing weekend getaway with all the top 20 traders.
We're here with the winners. What do you guys have to say?
Hey man,
All Josh. What you guys gonna do with the winning?
shit, bro.
Challenges.
Save it. I'm gonna buy an account and the rest.
Great job today.
Appreciate you, boss.
You deserve the win. Let's get it.
Let's go.